Now let's look at the different types of things we can do with strings. First of all, we have indexing. Now indexing simply means assessing characters by their position. Now for our demonstration, I'm going to create a string, let's say Python, and now we are going to keep it in a variable s. Now for indexing, this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to add in a comment over here, and I'm going to start typing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can look carefully at how I've aligned all of this, right? You can see that right under the P, we have a 0, right under the Y, we have 1, right under the T, we have 2, right under the H, we have 3, and you get the whole idea. Good. So these numbers are just the positions of our letters up here. So P is position 0, Y is position 1, T is position 2, and you get the pattern. Now, let's say I want to access my P, right? What do I need? I need my position 0, like this. So this position is going to access our P. Now, if we go ahead and just type 0, Python doesn't really know what to do with this 0, right? We need to tell Python that we want position 0 of our whole string Python. So what do we have to do? Now over here we have made an assignment, which simply means wherever we see S is Python. Now I want to tell Python that, oh, I'm talking about S and the position 0 of S. Now again, we need our square brackets. So now when we do this, we have P, right? This is supposed to give us P. Now I want to print this out. So when I print this out, ideally we should just have P. Good. And as you can see, we have returned P. Now I'm going to print something else just for practice. Let's print position 4. I think that should be an O. And you can see we have an O over here. Good. Now imagine we have a very long string like this, right? And then we want to print the last character of this string. Now I'm going to go ahead and manually count over all of these. No, that's not what we are supposed to do. We have a handy trick for us. Simply come over here and then we say -1. Now, when we say this, this is going to give us our last character. Now, let's look at the last character we have over here. That's L. Now, when we do this, we are supposed to return an L. And as you can see over here, we have returned an L. Good. So that's basically indexing in Python.